Pharmacy is the art and science which one will be acquired sound knowledge of art of collection, identification, preparation, combining, compounding, dispensing of medicine, prescription to physician.
Pharmacopoeia is a supreme authoritative book which published by the authority of any government, which is contain the chemical fact.
Okay, you tell me about the way.
Vehicle is transmission of conveyance. Vehicle are those substances which are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, and having no medicinal property or their own, but they are intended to carry out the dynamic powers of drug using integers of human body to fight against diseases.
What is nosol?
Nosors means nosot derived from Greek word nosos meaning that it is અને course meaning that it epidermis.
What is sarcode? Sarcode means medicine which is prepared from healthy secretion. Healthy secretion. You tell me the definition of pharmacy.
Pharmacy is the art and science. Identify, collecting, combining, preparing, random medicine.
Okay. Vehicle.
Vehicle are those substances, they are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, having no medicinal property on their own, capable to carry the dynamic effect of drug to interior of human organism to fight off disease.
Based શું આવે છે?
Pharmacopoeia is a supreme authoritative book authorized by any government of any country, which contain the scientific fact, logical attitude, rules of the rules and regulations, directions of collecting drug materials from different sources, identifications, preparations, preservations, combining, compounding, and disposal.
They are based out.
Pharmacopoeia is a supreme authoritative book which is published by any authority of government of any country, which deals with the scientific facts and logical attitudes of the standardization of drugs.
ઓકે તમે કહો કે બેસ્ટ શું તૈયાર કર્યું?
Pharmacy. It is art and science by which one will acquire a sound knowledge, art of collection, identification, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, or dispensing of medicine according to prescription of physician.
વેરી ગુડ. તમારે જે બેસ્ટ આવતું હતું? It is a drug which is prepared pharmaceutical by using drug substance from vegetable and animal kingdom and using vehicle as a strong alcohol by the process of immersion, maceration and percolation. આપણી હોઈ It is a drug
It is a drug pharmaceutical
prepared
prepared
by using drug
animal kingdom and
vegetable
vegetable kingdom by using
strong alcohol
strong alcohol
as a vehicle
as a vehicle
by the process of immersion,
immersion.
maceration and percolation. Founder of Centesimal Scale कौन है? Dr. Hanen. Okay, very good. Founder of Decimal Scale. Founder of 50 millisimal scale. Founder of Pharmacopoeia. Placebo જે છે placebo એ કોણે કીધું કે ઇટ ઇઝ અ સેકન્ડ બેસ્ટ મેડિસિન? કોણે કહ્યું કે ઇન મટીરિયલ મેડિકલ્સ placebo is a second best medicine? છે આઈડિયા? What is drug power?
How much amount of drug present is, how much amount of original drug present in individual drug.
Class 1 drug power ખબર છે?
1
Drug power ये रेशियो છે drug power 1/2 class 1 class 3 1/6 class 4 1/10. Okay, very good. Good job. બોલો શું થાય મોટેલી બોલો જેટલું બી આવડે બધું બોલી ગયો. Acceleration, propagation and immersion. First, number one. Yeah.
It is an art and science by which one is acquired a sound knowledge of art of collection, identification, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, and dispensing of drug according to the prescription of physician. Pharmacopoeia, it is a system authoritative book published by the authority of government of any country which teaches the scientific and technological attitude of regulation of standardization of drug substance containing direction for collecting drug material for preparing, preserving, combining of various drugs. Vehicle and transmission or conveyance. Vehicle are those substances which are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, having no medicinal property of their own, but they are intended to carry the dynamic power of drug safely to the interior of the human organism, fight or disease. Doctrine of passive stock leaving is said to please or satisfy. According to the Stout rules, placebo is the second best remedy in the America when the physician does not administer any homeopathic medicine to his patient. He gives some unmedicated substance to satisfy and to create a confident patient that he has taken medicine regularly. This is unmedicated substance.
Now you tell me about what is mother tincture, mother solution, and mother substance.
Mother tincture. It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from a drug substance of vegetable and animal kingdom. It is strongest using the strongest alcohol by the process of immersion, maceration, and percolation.
And what is mother solution?
Mother solution. It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from a drug substance of mineral and chemical source and the strongest alcohol and or aqueous solution by the process of dissolving in alcohol or purified water.
Okay. Now what is the drug power?
How much amount of drug substance present in the original drug is known as a drug strength.
Class 1 નો drug power કેટલો છે?
1/10.
Class 1 નો
1/2.
1/8. Class 2 નો 1/2. અને class 3,
1/6.
class 4,
1/8.
class 4, 1/10. Okay. હવે who is the founder of Pharmacopoeia?
Dr. Kandapur.
Who is the founder of Centesimal Scale?
Dr. Hanna.
The founder of Decimal Scale?
Constantine Henry.
ઓઇન્ટમેન્ટ, લિનિમેન્ટ, લોશન અને ગ્લિસરોલના પ્રિન્સિપલ કે ઓઇન્ટમેન્ટમાં બેઝ તરીકે શું વપરાય અને એના પ્રિન્સિપલ ઓઇન્ટમેન્ટ, લિનિમેન્ટ, લોશન, ગ્લિસરોલ.
It is a process of mixing 1 part by weight or volume of required mother tincture with 9 part by weight or volume of fatty and lotion. It is the process of mixing 1 part by weight or volume of mother tincture with 9 part by weight of volume of purified water. Liniment. It is the process of mixing 1 part by weight of volume or part by weight or volume of mother tincture with 9 part by weight or volume of polymer. It is the process of mixing 1 part by weight or volume of mother tincture with 9 part by weight of volume of this.
And what is the cardinal principle of homeopathy?
There are 7 cardinal principles. First, law of Cecilia, law of simplex, law of minimum, doctrine of signation, doctrine of dynamization, doctrine of proximity, theory of vital force, and theory of productivity.
Actually, you can have the board.
Homeopathic principle. work on law of Similia students and it is based on the law of Similia. It is based on a holistic and individualistic approach. However, it does not treat a particular disease, but it can work on patient as a whole.
હવે શું તૈયાર કર્યું જે બી તૈયાર કર્યું તો પહેલા બોલી
Pharmacy is an art and science that involves the effort, sound, knowledge of art, identification, collection, identification, differentiation, combining, compounding, dispensing of medicine, according to the description of the pharmacopoeia. It is authority published by the government, published by the authority of government of chemical agency, which deals with the scientific and ecological ethics of food and regulation of regulation of standardization of drug substances, collecting, taking direction for collecting the particulars for depending combining compounds for various drugs. Vehicles which are system of conveyance. Vehicles are pure substances which are chemically neutral, theoretically inert, having no medicinal properties of their own, but they are intended
to carry the
direct powers of drug safety to the intended power of
injury of human organism
human organism to fight the doctrine of value of taking pleasure, disease or sex.
already
Mother and the is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from drug substances of the vegetable and animal kingdom by using from alcohol as a vehicle as a process of inorganic circulation and testing.
what is mother solution
It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of chemical and mineral coating as the using from alcoholic and conveyance aqueous
distilled water as an aqueous solution
solvent by the process is dissolving in alcohol and purified water.
what is drug power
Now what amount of drug substance is there in drug? Not as drug.
drug power બધાના ખબર છે ક્લાસ 1 ક્લાસ 2 ક્લાસ 3 ક્લાસ 4 ખબર છે
One by seven, one by one by six, one by 10.
now you જે તમે તૈયાર કર્યું એ બોલો
Pharmacy. Pharmacy is an art and science by which one which acquires sound of knowledge of art of collection, identification, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, and dispensing of a drug material as according to prescribed by a physician. Pharmacopoeia. It is a supreme authoritative book which is published by authority of government of any country which deals with scientific facts, logical attitude of rules and regulations are goods. Vehicles are transmission or conveyance. Vehicles are those substances which are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, having no medicinal property of their own, but they are intended to carry the dynamic power in the body to the interior to the body to fight against disease. Saccharification. Saccharification is a process of converting starch into markers. Decimal scale. Decimal scale was invented by Constantine Herring, and it worked on the principle that its first potency contained 1/10 part of original drug and succeeding potency contained 1/10 part of previous potency. Centesimal scale. Centesimal scale was invented by Dr. Freeman, and it worked on the principle that its first potency contained 1/100 part of original drug and succeeding potency contained 1/100 part of its previous potency. Nosol are defined as homeopathic remedies which are prepared from disease material, sarcode. Homeopathic remedies which are prepared from healthy animal tissue, and imponderabilia. Imponderabilia is defined as homeopathic remedies.
the alcohol means non-heavy animal it is prepared from healthy secretion hormone enzyme of the animal that is called as alcohol.
Imponderability. It is defined as in which homeopathic remedies which are prepared from energy of natural and physical material like magnet, thermal energy, sun, moon, etc. Doctrine of signature. The word doctrine of signature, the word signature is named as Vijay, which is derived from words sign and nature. It is slowly and carefully, in which pouring of upper supernatant liquid are transferred from one vessel to another vessel without disturbing the sediment which are settled down at the bottom of the vessel. Mother tincture. It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from drug substance of animal and vegetable kingdom, in which alcohol is used as vehicle by the process of immersion, percolation and maceration. Mother solution. It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from mineral and chemical source and use alcohol as a strong vehicle and aqueous solvent by the using dissolving alcohol in
dissolving them in
alcohol and purified water.
Okay, बस तुम्हें next. ये कमाना out कर दो.
Pharmacy is an art and science manual where has collection preservation founding
Of drug according to
prescription of physician.
very कर दो.
Medical is transmission and content. Chemical are the substance and chemical is the theoretical inert
There is no medicinal property of their own. They are intended to fight the disease force. Founder of Pharmacopoeia कौन है? Founder of centesimal scale. Centesimal scale. On a decimal scale, Dr. Constantine Hering. On a decimal scale, नहीं खबर. Placebo, what is placebo?
Placebo is the second place of homeopathic medical medicine.
It is given for the please of the patient. For the pleasure or please of the patient. When there is no need of the medicine, placebo is given. Okay. So, finish.
Pharmacy. Pharmacy is an art and science by which one is acquired sound knowledge of art of collection, identification, synthesis, preparation, combining, compounding, dispensing of medicine according to prescription of physician. Pharmacopoeia. Pharmacopoeia is the supreme authority book which published by authority of any government or any country which deals with use and regulation of standardization of prescription. Vehicles. Vehicles means conveyance and translation. Vehicles are those substances which are chemically neutral, therapeutically neutral, and having no medicinal property of their own, but their capacity to carry the dynamic power to fight the disease. Destination. This scale is based on the principle that first potency should contain 1/10 part of the original potency, and each potency should contain 1/10 part of the previous potency. And sensibility. This scale is based on the principle that first potency should contain 100 part of the the original potency and its potency will be contained 100 part of the previous potency. Placebo means the opinion of placebo. This is the Latin word of placebo, and it means or steady. Pharmacy is an art and science by which one will acquire sound knowledge of art of identification, collection, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, and dispensing of medicine according to the prescription application. Pharmacopoeia is the supreme authority to publish by authority of government of any country which deals with scientific facts, technological attitude of use and regulation of standardization of drug substance containing direction for collection of drug material from different sources for preparation, preservation, combining, compounding of various drugs. Chemical means transmission or conveying. Chemical are those substances are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, having no medicinal property of their own, but they are intended to carry the dynamic power of drugs safely to the interior of human organism. Decimal scale. Inventor. It was introduced by Constantine Thales for potentized neck venom ratio 1:9. Drug strength 1/10. Principle. It is based on the principle that first potency should contain 1/10 part of the original drug. Each succeeding potency should contain 1/10 part of the original potency. Centesimal scale. It was introduced by Hahnemann in 5th edition of Organon of Medicine. Principle. It is based on the principle that first potency should contain 1/100 part of the original drug, and each succeeding potency should contain 1/100 part of the preceding potency. Drug strength 1/100. Saccharification. It is a process of converting starch into maltose. Mother sugar. It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from a drug substance of animal and vegetable kingdom by using strong alcohol as a vehicle by a process of maceration, immersion, and percolation. It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from a drug substance of mineral or chemical as a strong alcoholic or aqueous solvent by using alcohol or purified water to making a solution or exploding it. It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from a drug substance of any source which is insoluble in liquid vehicle by a process of titration, for example, with sugar of milk.
Drug power, last one. What is drug power?
Drug power. The amount of drug substance present in a given drug is called
Drug power, class 1 number. 1/2. Last number is 1. Next, your
Pharmacy is the
art and science.
Pharmacy is the art and science which is acquired knowledge of art collection, identification, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, and dispensing of medicine according to prescription of the physician. According to Squadros, placebo is the present-day primary in America. Placebo is an unmedicated substance. When the physician does not administer medicine to the patient, he gives some tablets of dosage is called economy. So there is a patient confidence.
Now next, what is drug power?
How much amount of active drug present in this drug?
Last one, drug power. Last 4. Last 3. Class 1/6, class 1/10. Yeah, what to do?
Pharmacy and item science by which one regular sound knowledge of art of collection, identification, preparation, preservation, compound or combining of variables, and dispensing it according to prescription of the Paragraph is written of the published by government of any country which deals with some research on the institute of rules and regulations of standardization of drugs. It also contains suggestions for collection of certain materials and implementation for preserving, preparation, and non-combining vehicles. Vehicles means transmission of energy. Vehicles are those substances which are intended to carry the substantial power to the interior of the body. They are chemically neutral, physically neutral, and they do not possess medicinal power. Segregation is the process in which charge is converted into mass.
Mother solution, mother substance, something like
The teacher is a method scientifically prepared from the sources of vegetable and animal sources, as it is by using alcohol from nature by the process of immersion, exhalation, and evaporation. Mother solution. Mother solution is a pharmaceutical prepared from the sources of chemical and animal sources, as the strongest alcohol and aqueous solvent. The process of dissolving in alcohol and chloride hydrogen. Mother substance. Mother substance is a something prepared from drug sources or any drug sources insoluble in individual vehicle by process of titration is created.
okay. Someone here how to do.
Pharmacy is an art and science by which one is the acquired sound knowledge of art of collection, identification, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, and the dispensing of medicine according to the prescription of physician. Pharmacopoeia is written according to the prescription which is published by the authority of government of any country which deals with the scientific facts and logical attitudes with rules and regulations for standardization of drug substances. It also contains different sources and different directions for collecting different types of drug materials for the preparation, preservation, combining, compounding of various drugs. Vehicle means transmission or conveyance. Vehicle are those substances which are chemically neutral, energetically inert, and having no medicinal properties but they are capable to carry the dynamic power entered to body to fight the disease source. Saccharification process of conversion to starch into maltose. Drug strength means how much amount of drug substance present into the decimal scale. The scale is based on the Z principle. First potency should be contained 1/10 part of the original drug, and the in subsequent potency should be contained 1/10 part of previous potency. Decimal scale. The scale is based on the Z principle. First potency should be contained 100 part of original drug, and the subsequent potency should be contained 100 part of previous potency.
You can get it.
Decantation is pure liquid into
Pouring of liquid from one vessel to another vessel without disturbing the
solid
sediment. So, founder of centesimal scale. Founder of decimal scale. Founder of pharmaceutical. Second is memory. Founder of
combining and compounding of drug substance according to the prescription of the patient. Our the transmission of conveying of those part of the original drug substance. ID30 potency should contain one part of the preceding point. Drug strength, the amount of drug substance present in a given potency is known as drug strength. Then the cytoplasm means to treat or satisfy the non-medicated substances which was given by doctors in the case of administration of medicine just to satisfy the patient.
Pharmacy is the art and science which can acquire by normal cytocollection, identification, preparation, preservation, compounding, and dispensing of medicine according to prescription of the physician. Decimal. This case based on the principle the first potency should be contained 1 by n part of drug, original drug, and each succeeding potency should be contained 1 by n part of the previous case. Centesimal scale. This scale based on the principle the first potency should be contained 1 by 100 part of the original drug, and each succeeding potency should be contained 1 by 100 part of the previous potency. It is a supreme authority book published by the authority of government of any country which deals with the scientific fact and logical attitudes, rules and regulation of the standardization of the drug substance which contain to the carry drug material for preparation, preservation, compounding of the various drug substances. Placebo. It is the placebo means Latin word derived from the place. Placer means please and satisfy someone.
Why it is good? When there is no need of medicine, placebo is given. Drug power,
Drug power.
drug strength or drug power.
Drug strength. The drug strength signifies the drug strength of the drug in given potency.
Someone say out to it.
Pharmacy is an art and science. One will get acquired the sound of knowledge of art of collection, identification, compounding, preservation, preparing, and dismantling of medicine, prescription to the physician. Vehicles means transmission and conveyance. Vehicles are those substances which are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, having no medicinal property in it, but they carry the dynamic power of medicine to adhere to human body. Mother danger. It is the drugs pharmaceutically prepared from the animal and plant kingdom by using the strong alcohol by process of maceration and percolation. Mother solution. It is the drug pharmaceutically prepared by the using the methods and chemical by using the strong alcohol and aqueous by process of dissolving water or strong alcohol. Placebo. The doctrine of placebo means Latin word pleasure means please and satisfy. It is given by the second best remedy by Stradlose and
Pharmacy is an art and science by which one will acquire sound knowledge of art of collection, identification, preparation, preservation, compounding and dispensing of the medicine according to the prescription of the physician. Vehicle means transmission or conveyance. Vehicles are those substances which are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert and having no medicinal properties of their own, but they are intended to carry the dynamic power of a drug substance interior to the human organism to fight the disease force. Centesimal scale is based on the principle that first potency should contain 1/100 part of its original drug substance and 1/100 part of each succeeding potency from their previous potency. Decimal scale is based on the principle that first potency should contain 1/10th part of its original drug substance and each succeeding potency should contain 1/10th part of its previous potency.
What is saccharification?
Saccharification is the process of converting starch into maltose.
Mother nature.
Mother tincture is the process of
Is a drug.
it is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug sources like animal and vegetable kingdom by the preparation of maceration, percolation and immersion with the help of alcohol or any strong alcohol.
Decantation.
Decantation is the process in which decantation is the process by in which we pour the liquid from one vessel to another vessel carefully without disturbing the sediments as
Sediment. Without disturbing the sediment. Drug power of class 1, class 2, class 3,
1/3,
class 1/6,
6, 1/6,
class 4,
1/10,
class 5,
1/10, or decimals and decimals,
1/10 and
1/100,
class 7.
1/100 or 1/10.
Okay. What is drug power?
Drug power is how much drug substance present in its drug is called as drug power.
જે તમને આવડતું એ બોલો. મોડેલ બોલો.
Pharmacy is an art and science by which one can acquire a sound knowledge of art of collection, identification, preparation, reservation, combining, compounding, and dispensing of medicine according to prescription of physician. Pharmacopoeia. It is supreme authority book published by any authority of government of any country which deal with the scientific fact and logical attitude of rule of regulation containing direction for collecting drug material from different sources for combining and preserving. Vehicle. Vehicle means transmission or conveys. Vehicle are those substances which are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, having no medicinal property of their own, but they are intended to carry a dynamic power of drug substance safely to the interior of the human organism. Mother tincture. The drug pharmaceutically prepared from vegetable and animal kingdom using vehicle as the strongest alcohol by the process of immersion, maceration and percolation. Drug solution. The drug pharmaceutically prepared from mineral and chemical by using a strong alcohol and acquired solvent by the process of dissolving in alcohol and purifying water. Drug substance. It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from any source insoluble in liquid and using vehicle as a solid solvent by the process of saturation with the sugar of milk. Drug strength. How much amount of drug present in its original drug, it is known as the drug strength. Centesimal scale. It is the base of the principle that the first potency should contain 1/10 part of the original 100 part of the original drug and each potency should contain 100 part. Decimals.
Of 100 part of previous one.
Previous potency. Decimal scale. It is the base of the principle that the first potency should contain 1/10 part of the original drug and each potency should contain of the previous potency.
1/10 part of the previous potency. Okay, bus. A founder of Pharmacopoeia, founder of centesimal scale, founder of decimal scale. Second best medicine, placebo is the second. Who has told that? Founder of 50 millesimal scale.
Next.
Pierre Smith of Geneva. Founder main कौन है? क्या आवाज में बोल?
Pharmacy. It is art and science by which one can acquire sound of knowledge, art of collection, identification, preparation, combining and dispensing of prescription to physician. Identification, conversion, starch into maltose. Pharmacopoeia. It is supreme authority book published by authority of government of any country which deals with rules and regulation of standardization of drug substance, chemical transmission and contains medicinal substance which are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, and no medicinal property it means result. It means satisfaction.
તમને જે આવડતું એ બોલો.
Pharmacy is knowledge of art of collecting, combining, combining, preparing, preserving, principle of medicine, antidote, description of physician. Sarcoids means fleshy. It can be turned into protoplasm of animal. Drug strength. How much amount of drug strength? Drug substances in drug. It is known as drug strength. Placebo. Placebo means placebo derived from Greek Latin word placebo. It is second best remedy in homeopathy. Principle of homeopathy. Similar animal.
ઓકે જોડી.
Pharmacy. It is an art and science by which one will be acquire sound of knowledge, art of collection, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, and dispensing of medicine according to prescription of physician. Pharmacopoeia. It is a supreme authoritative book published on authority of government of any country which deals with rules and regulation of standardization of drug substance. Saccharification. It is the process of converting into starch into maltose is known as saccharification. Drug strength. How much amount of a drug substance in drug is known as drug strength. Sarcoid means fleshy. It can be turned protoplasm in protoplasm of animals.
What is important there? Nosol.
Nosol means nosol derived from nosos. It means disease, and pseudod means appearance.
Now your turn.
Pharmacy is an academic instrument for knowledge of art of collection, identification, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, and dispensing of medicine according to prescription of physician. Pharmacopoeia. It is supreme authority for the authority of government of any country which deals with scientific, psychological, and related for the rules and regulation of standardization of drug substance containing direction for collecting drug materials from the different sources for the preparation, preservation, combining, compounding of various drugs. Dr. Kaldasri Bhaskar is the father of homeopathic pharmacopoeia. The first homeopathic pharmacopoeia published in 1875. It has a type unofficial and official pharmacopoeia. Vehicle is transmitted and conveys vehicle to substances which are chemically therapeutically related and have no medicine properties their own, but they intend to carry the dynamic power of drug in there is the one and to fight against the disease. Then placebo. Whenever physician doesn't like the administration of medicine and there to administration of medicine, then the patient reflects medicated medicine substances such as sugar, purified water, and etc. These unmedicated substances called the placebo. Then decimal scale is firstly introduced by Dr. Constantine Henning. Whenever the first potency should contain, this scale is based on that first potency should contain 1 by 10 part of the original term, and each succeeding potency should contain 1 by 10 part of preceding potency. But centrifugal scale. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann is the father of centrifugal scale. He published centrifugal scale in 5th edition of Organon of Medicine in 1833. Centrifugal scale. This scale is based on the principle that potency should contain 1 by 100 part of original drug, and each succeeding potency should contain 1 by 100 part of previous potency. Then a drug strength. How much amount of drug present in how much amount of drug substance present in the drug is known as drug substance, drug strength or drug power. Then mother nature. It is the drug pharmaceutical prepared from vegetable and animal source, from alcohol as a vehicle by the process of immersion, maceration, and percolation from drug solution. It is mother solution. It is the drug pharmaceutical prepared from chemical and mineral source, strong alcohol and aqueous water as a vehicle by the process of pickling. Then mother solid substance. It is a drug pharmaceutical prepared from any source
which are not soluble in a liquid, which are not soluble in a
Any
liquid,
solution cannot soluble
by the process of trituration.
with the
By the process of trituration.
natural control करो
Sugar of milk.
चलो अब तुम्हारा
Pharmacy is an item science by which one will acquire sound knowledge of art of collection, identification, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, and dispensing of the medicines according to the prescription and regulation. It is the supreme authority book published by the authority of academia, which deals with the scientific facts and logical attitudes and rules and regulations for standardization of the drugs and containing directions for operations of the drugs, for preparing, preserving, combining, and compounding of the drugs. Vehicles means transmission of contains vehicles are those substances which are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, having no medicinal properties of their own, but they are intended to carry the dynamic power of the drug safely to the interior of the human organisms to fight against the disease force. Mother teaches the these are the drugs which are pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of the vegetable and the animal kingdom, and by using the strong alcohol as a vehicle, and by the process of immersion, acceleration, and fermentation. Mother solution. It is the drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of chemical and mineral kingdom, and by using the strong alcohol and the aqueous solvent as a vehicle, and by the process of dissolving it in the alcohol or in the strong alcohol or in the purified water. And another solution in another substance. It is the drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of any sources which are insoluble in the liquid vehicles and by fractionating it with the sugar of the placebo is derived from the doctrine of signature, that is placid, which means to please or to satisfy someone. When the physician does not want to administer any of the medicines to the patients, or when there is no necessity to administer the medicines to the patient, then the physician will administer some unmedicated substances to the patient to satisfy or to bring confidence that he has been using the drug substances regularly. The unmedicated substances is known as placebo. And decantation means decantation is the process which is decantation is the process which is slowly and carefully by pouring the liquid from one vessel to the another vessel without disturbing the sedimentation that is settled down at the bottom of the liquid. Trituration it is an ideal physical and mathematical process of the potentization. Mathematical base of the potentization through which preparation of the medicine is done with the solid vehicle such as sugar of milk. Succussion, it is the process of potentization of the medicinal process of potentization of the medicinal substances.
like giving 10 hours
By
drops
making the 10 hours shots, succussion
ointment element lotion this one
ointment it is the
principle
Semi-ointment is the semi-solid applications, and they should have the required amount of the consistency so that it should be applied very easily over the skin by rubbing, and they are also called as therapeutical creams. Liniments are the
what base is used for ointment
Vaseline.
yes sir
Liniments are the oil consistency, and they are the mixture of the substances of the different drugs which are prepared with the help of the oils, alcoholic solutions, or with the help of
which oil
olive oil.
olive oil good glycerol
Glycerol, it is the mixture of the solution of the solutions of the mother nature in the glycerin, and they are having the consistency like solid consistency.
okay बस फाउंडर ऑफ फार्माकोपिया कौन है फाउंडर ऑफ सेंटेसिमस स्केल डेसिमस स्केल
Dr. C.
50 मिलीसिमस स्केल
Dr.
અને કોણે બહાર પાડ્યું બધી પબ્લિકને કોણે ખબર પાડી કે 50 મિલીસિમસ સ્કેલ છે કયા ડોક્ટરે પિયર સ્મિથ છે ઓકે તમને જે આવડતું
Vehicle means transmission and conveyance. Vehicle are those substances which are chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, and having no medicinal property, but they are intended to carry the dynamic power of drug substance to human interior safely to fight against disease force. Pharmacy is an art and science for science of identifying, collecting, selecting, combining, preparing, preserving, and standardization Dr. Sabir Haneman, drug strength 1/100, drug ratio 1:1:99. Principle. This scale is based on the principle. This scale is based on the principle of 1. First potency should contain 1/100 part of original drug and succeeding potency should contain 1/100 part of previous potency. Decimal scale. Inventor Dr. Constantine Harry. Drug strength 1/10. Drug ratio 1:9. Principle. This scale is based on first potency should contain 1/10 part of original drug and previous potency. Succeeding potency should contain 1/10 part of previous potency.
Placebo. When the physician does not administer any homeopathic medicine, he gives some unmedicated substance like globules and sugar of milk to satisfy the patient. This unmedicated substance called placebo. Pharmacy. It is art and science by which one will acquire sound knowledge of art of identification, collection, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, and dispensing according to prescription of physician. It is the supreme authority who publishes by authority of government of any country which deals with scientific and logical approach of the rules and regulation of the standardization of drug substance, direction for collecting drug from various sources, for preparing, preserving, combining, compounding of various drugs. Drug strength. How much drug amount present in drug sacrification. Starch converted into maltose. This process called sacrification. Vehicles. Vehicles means transmission. Vehicles are those substances which are chemically neutral, naturally inert, and having no medicinal properties of their own, but they are carried to dynamic power of drugs able to enter to human organism to fight disease.
Pharmacy is the art and science by which one will acquire sound knowledge art of collection, identification, preparation, preservation, compounding, combining, dispensing of medicine according to the physician. Physical and those substances, chemical, neutral, therapeutic, inert, having no medical property of their own, but they are inert to the carry of drug and medicine. Substance are inert to the human organism and fight with the disease course. Decimal. First potency should contain 1/10 part of the original drug substance and subsequent potency should contain 1/10 part of the previous potency. Decimal scale. First potency should contain 1/10 part of the original drug substance and subsequent potency should contain 1/100 part of the
decimal scale. 1/10 decimal.
first potency should contain 1/100 part of the original drug substance and subsequent potency should contain 1/100 part of the previous potency. Yes, satisfied. Drug strength. How much amount present in the drug substance or the drug strength? Pharmacy is an art and science from which one will acquire the sound knowledge of identification, collection, preservation, preparation, compounding, combining, and dispensing of the drug substance according to the prescription of physician. Vehicle. Vehicle are those substances which are therapeutically inert, having no medicinal property of its own, and intended to carry the dynamic power of the drug inside a human organism to fight against disease force. Placebo. Placebo in Latin means to pleasure, means to satisfy. When physician does not want to administrate any medicine or there is no necessity of administration of medicine, he gives the unmedicated substance to please or to satisfy the patient that he is taking the medicine regularly. This unmedicated substance is called placebo. It is the supreme authority book published by authority of government of any country. It deals with scientific fact and logical attitude of rules and regulation and standardization of the drug substance. It contains direction for collection of the different drugs and for preparation, preservation, combining, compounding of drug substance. Decantation. It is the process of carefully and slowly pouring liquid from one vessel to another vessel without disturbing the accumulated sediment that settle in the bottom of the beaker.
Pharmacy is the art and science by which one will acquire the sound knowledge of art of collection, identification, preparation, preservation, combining and compounding of compounding and dispensing of medicine according to the prescription of physician. Vehicle means those substances which are therapeutically inert, chemically neutral, having no medicinal property of their own, but they are intended to carry the dynamic power of drug to the interior of human organism to fight against disease force. The decimal scale, scale that which contain 1/10 part of original drug substance, and each succeeding potency should contain 1/10 part of previous potency. Centesimal, it is a scale that which contain 100 part of original drug, and each succeeding potency should contain 100 part of previous potency. Saccharification means conversion of starch to maltose. No-sod are the substance which are drugs which are prepared from disease condition. Sarcos with healthy tissue. Medicines prepared from healthy tissue. Mother tincture it is a drug prepared pharmaceutically by the process of immersion, maceration and percolation using vehicle as a strong alcohol.
फार्मेकोपेन फाउंडर कौन है?
डॉक्टर डब्ल्यू कास्पर.
डेसिमल स्केल
डेसिमल स्केल डॉक्टर पोस्टाइन हेली.
डेसिमल स्केल
हनुमान सर.
के बाहर कौन है पढ़ी? पब्लिक ना कवर के लिए पढ़ी के 50 मिलीसीमल स्केल मेरा डॉक्टर के वाला पढ़ा. तो फाउंडर कौन है? फाउंडर let's say is the second base line you want to
Stuart Curtis.
Pharmacy is art and science by which one will acquire knowledge from a part of collection, combining, compounding, preservation, identification, and dispensing of medicine according to the prescription of physician. Vehicles with transmission and conveyance. Vehicles are those substances either chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, having no medicinal property of their own, but they are intended to carry the dynamic power of drug safely to interior of human organism to fight the disease force. This scale is based on the principle that first potency should contain 1/10 part of original drug, and each potency should contain 1/10 part of previous potency. It is a process of slowly and carefully poured out a liquid from one vessel to other without disturbing the sedimentum which is accumulated at the bottom of the liquid. Centesimal scale. This scale is based on the principle that original drug contain 1/100 part of original drug, and each potency should contain 1/100 part of a preceding potency. Centesimal scale. Saccharification means conversion of a starch into maltose.
drug power,
Drug strength. So, how much original amount of drug present in a potency, given potency, it is called a drug power.
Vehicle are those substances. Vehicle means transmission or conveyance. Vehicle are those substances that therapeutic inert, chemical neutrals. They have no medicinal properties to it, but they interior to human organism. Interior to dynamic power to human organism to fight to disease. It is a which one will be sound knowledge of acquired collection, identification, preparing, preservation, compound, dispensing according to prescription of physician. Centesimal. This skill is based on 100 part of the original drug substance to give potency. Its success potency 100 part of the previous potency. Second decimal. This scale is on the 1/10 part of the original drug substance. Given the succeeding potency 1/10 of the previous potency.
Pharmacy is an art and science by which one will acquire sound knowledge of art of collection, preparation, preservation, combining, compounding, and the dispensing of medicine according to prescription of physician. Vehicle with transmission. Vehicle are Vehicle are the substances which do not contain any kind of medical property of their own, neither acidic nor basic, but they are intended to carry the dynamic power of the medicine interior of the human organism to fight the disease source. Decimal scale. Decimal scale is based on the principle that the first potential should contain 1/100 part of the original drug substance, and each succeeding potential should contain 1/100 part of the preceding potential. Decimal scale. Decimal scale is based on the principle that the first potential should contain 1/10 part of the original drug substance, and each succeeding potential should contain 1/10 part of the preceding potential. Pharmacopoeia. Pharmacopoeia is a supreme authority published by the authority of government, which deals with the rules and regulations of the and scientific fact, and contains the knowledge about preparing a drug, preparing and preserving the medicine.
Founder of Pharmacopoeia.
Dr. Garland Vikas.
Founder of Decimal Scale.
Dr. Constant.
Founder of Central Scale.
Dr.
Class 1 of drug power.
1/2.
Class 2.
1/2.
Class 0.
1/6.
Class 4.
1/10.
Okay.
Thank you.